Well, as we get older, our skin can go through all sorts of changes thanks to father time. But why live with the loose skin and wrinkled skin? That shows the sign of aging if you don't have to. Our friend Dr. David Mozersky is here. He's the founder of the Contour Lace Body Institute. If I can get my words out, Dr. Mozersky, thank you for being
here. Thank you, Bridget. It's great to be here.
I'm glad to have you. We were talking in the break about the whole idea that you have something, the first of its kind, in the city of San Antonio. What is it and how does it work?
We're really excited about this because all of the patients that come to see us are worried about 5 major things. One is body contouring, wrinkles, skin tightening, surface changes.
Yes.
And we know that heat and microwaves can affect these things positively, but we finally have a machine that can take care of all those things, plus is very effective for cellulite.
Well, we want to take a look at how
it doesn't hurt.
And it does pain-free. That's good
right.
news. So we want to take a look
at this picture.
Okay, what is this?
This is a patient that was treated 8 treatments, and look at the amazing difference in the cellulite in that leg.
That's dramatic.
It's fantastic.
That's dramatic. Well, we actually have a demonstration to show people how it works.
Exactly.
We have with us this morning Nancy Garcia is getting a little treatment done over there, and thank you to our technician in the library, Adriana Gully. Now tell us what we're seeing, Dr. Mozersky. How is this working?
Well, basically what Adriana is doing is putting the microwave probe on the skin and moving it around and heating the skin up to 40 degrees centigrade. You can see it's painless, and you ought to go talk to our patient about that. But
okay.
It's really amazing technology that is very effective.
So from patient to patient, you determine how many treatments are necessary,
exactly.
over what period of time.
Right.
And this is good for all skin tones, types?
All skin tones. No one is excluded because of color. It can be used for, as I said, reducing wrinkles and shaping the body, and tightening the skin is under the neck and the face. Here's a great picture of a patient that was treated using this technology.
That's pretty dramatic, Dr. Mozersky.
Yeah,
now I've got to ask Nancy, since she's getting this done, Nancy, how is it feeling? It looks like it might feel pretty interesting.
It's very comfortable.
Very comfortable.
It's warm, but it's very soothing and comfortable.
Now, I got to ask you this. Thank you, Nancy. Dr. Mozersky, how long will your results last once you've had this done?
Well, they last as long as it takes for you to get a little older, and then you have to have a little touch-up every year or so, or maybe some cases. It depends on the problem. But I think it's really it makes an amazing difference in people's lives in a way that doesn't hurt and is pretty affordable.
Yes. Now, I do know that Contour Lace is the first to achieve G-factor treatment, correct? What is G-factor treatment?
G-factor is an introduction of proteins made from the patient's own blood that stimulate growth of collagen, and it can be used in combination with this technology.
Fantastic.
So that gives you an extra punch. And we are so excited about this because we are the first in San Antonio to have this machine, and we're the first in Texas to have the fractional probe, which can resurface the skin.
I love this, Dr. Mozersky, because there used to be a time people would stay away from whatever treatment because they thought it would be painful, they thought it would take a lot of time. This in and of itself shows that you can get rejuvenated skin, pain-free, in little or no time.
Exactly.
And the results are phenomenal.